So today I'm quickly just going to be going over the diagnostic physics quiz that we have for tomorrow's periodics. So let's start. Which of the following statement describes the safety measures which are using radioactive materials are true? So is it safe to move a radioactive source with your hand? Definitely not. Radioactive pointing away from you? Yes. Identified using your eyes only? No. You should identify it using actual methods. Radioactive sources should be locked up? Yes, especially lead boxes. It can stop most radiation. Eating is allowed when handling? No, definitely not. Now, let's move on. Here, we know it's a couple force. We did this in the final. You take any one force you want, aka 15, and you multiply it by the distance between them in meters. So 2 centimeters equals 0.2... Wait, no. Yeah, 0.02, my bad. Meters times 15 equals 0.3 Newton meter. Okay, what you do here for the first part, we're gonna do 25 times 50. So 25 times 50 equals 40 times x, or 40x. So 25 times 50 divided by 40 will give you 31. Now to get part B, what you have to do is the 50 plus the 31 plus the weight of the beam. They gave us the weight of the beam to be 20 Newton. So 50 Newton plus 31 Newton plus 20 Newton, 101. That's how you find it. Moving on. Okay, yeah, so atomic number is always the number on the bottom, mass number always the one on the top. Alpha, we know it has the least ionizing power, so it will paper can stop alpha, a book can stop gamma, nothing really can stop gamma, a book can stop beta, but nothing really can stop gamma, it just weakens it. Did I skip something? No. Okay, so they're telling you that this radioactive source only emits beta and gamma, and we know beta is negative, so it's always gonna get attracted to the positive side, so A will detect beta. Gamma always continues undeviated, so straight, and alpha, but there is no alpha here, so we don't count it. Beta, gamma, no radiation. Now here it's just balancing out. So 15, what did you add to 15 to make it 15? You added 0. What did you add to 7 to make it 6? -1. That's all you have to do. A person is pulling a box on a rough floor using a rope parallel to the ground. The tension is 25 newtons and the box moves through 2 meters. They want the frictional force, meaning it's negative. They want the opposite. They want the resistive force. So you do 25 times 2 equals 50, and since it's frictional, you take the negative of this, and your answer is -50. Okay, so a box of mass 15 kg through 2.5 meters using this. W equals mgh. We remember this from the final, or well, most of us. 15 times 2.5 times 10 gives you this answer. Now, okay, this is night vision is always infrared, microwaves are microwaves, medical imaging is always X-ray, and radio broadcasting towers, my bad, is radio. Okay, so you have a ball that's mass is 1.2 kg and it's moving vertically upwards at 5 meters per second, and we use g as 10 meters per second square. The total mechanical energy equals potential energy plus kinetic energy. So to find potential energy, it's mgh. Kinetic is half mv squared. mgh 1.2 times 2 times 10, which is 24. Then half mv squared, so it's half times 1.2 times 25, you get 15 if I'm not wrong. Yeah. And then when you add them together, it equals 39, which is your final answer. Now moving on. Okay, whenever you see solid to liquid state, fusion. Liquid to gas state, vaporization. Very easy. Okay. When you want to convert from Celsius to Kelvin, you take the Celsius 150 plus 273 and you get this answer when you do that. All you need to do. Now let's move on. Okay, we know that the energy of a photon is frequency times Planck's constant. I forgot how to write Planck's constant. Anyways, that's density. So just take your frequency times this constant, h times f gives you, so 6.6 times 10 power negative 34 times 1.2 times 10 power 15. It gives you this answer when you put it into your calculators. Now moving on. Okay, so 70 grams, you need to make it kilograms, so it's 0.07 kg times 385, because you need to do the rule where it's Q equals MC delta T. So M 0.07, C 385, delta T 60. You're gonna get 1617. That's in joules. Converted to kilojoules, 1.6 kg, or well, kj. And that's how you get your answer. Moving on. Okay, whenever you want phase change, it's always where it's a flat line, so 2 till 8. Rest, no transfer. Uniform, no transfer. Any other type of movement, transferred. Okay, so what you do here is the power rule, which is what's it called? It's energy over time. No, it's a different rule. No, it's power equals energy over time. Or we can rewrite it as Q over T, but same thing. Energy here we mean potential energy, so 320 times 12 floors times 3.2 being each floor times 10, because it's mgh, all over your time in seconds, so it's 120 seconds. Put all that in your calculator, it's 1024. That's how you solve, and that's the end of this quiz. Have a nice day. Bye.